I'm Mike and welcome to my Allotment UK. It has been a busy week again, not so much on the allotment but much the same as previous weeks. The plot has now started to supply our household and one or two of my neighbours with fresh vegetables. Broad beans are now podding in abundance and they are very sweet and tasty. Carrots are beginning to increase in numbers and size, and we're enjoying those as well. The autumn planted onions are waiting for some warm weather to be lifted, and if we receive any rain forecasts, I will lift and leave them to dry in the polytunnel. All French beans Stanley have benefited from the Enviro mesh protection, and this week I will sow a companion bed in the interest of continuity. Runner beans are continuing to grow and flower, and they're in the need of a session of weeding and some watering. As shown in previous seasons, Sweetcorn seems to love raised beds, and again mine are producing strong, stout stems, and I now have tassels forming. I have been lax in my watering regime in the polytunnel, and these overwintering cabbages, January King, are in desperate need of rejuvenation. Leaving them overnight in this bucket of water should do the trick. And you can see it has. And the best bet is to get them into the ground. You will recall from last week we had trouble with our mains water supply, and today a plumber has been arranged to fit a new siphon to our bathroom. So as soon as these plants are planted, it's back home for the appointment. These were planted well down into the soil to give them some firm anchorage. Whilst giving the plants protection, a visit by David occurred. Hi David. And put down the success of these gifted plants must be due to the raised bed and its lasagna bed preparation. I do know that he has prepared a similar bed on his plot for next season's overwintering cabbages. I prepared this bed last night, but I didn't get the
Well, I just came up to pass the time of day and asked you, have you got any more of that heat tape that you put on the tube?
Yeah.
Because you've got a rust coming through on the west side, have you noticed?
I've got a what?
Some rust coming through on your metalwork.
Oh, I haven't noticed, no.
It's where the sun's come that way at it.
Oh.
Have a look as you go out.
I will.
Are you going now?
Are you ready for off, are you? I won't be at the coffee tomorrow.
No, okay.
Because we've got the plumber coming round this afternoon. Yeah. Tell you what, these cabbages you give me, they're doing great.
Yeah.
Look at the size of them.
Mine have done nothing. Mine, it's only one out of 6, wasn't it? Something.
Yeah, look at these.
Yeah, they're the colour, aren't they? See, my colour will come up with that.
It's only okay.
Yeah.
Colour's fine. In fact, I've not sown any in here other than those there.
That's useful because that will go through the winter, you just take a few leaves off it.
Yeah, and all day Wednesday, therefore no allotments, no work on the door. But I made a start on a special video on how I make my videos, and I had a good response on the comments, particularly an enlightening discussion with Mike Hurdis and an interesting video on Wayne's Allotment's Rode microphone. But Thursday and Friday was 100% hanging the gate and painting the shed door. I did manage some early morning work on the plot with harvesting, weeding and watering. And I must ask David what species that cabbage was, because the taste was outstanding. Well, that's the end of the video for this week. Hope you enjoyed it. A thumbs up would be nice if you did, and if you've not already done so, please subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. But for now, we'll just say take care, look after yourself, and we'll see you next week. Bye.